Welcome to the channel. Recently, macOS Ventura came out. So I'm going to show you guys 3 hidden features that you may have not known about. The first feature, believe it or not, is a super simple one, but we finally got it, okay? On Mac, on desktop, on laptops, on the full Mac version, and not just on iPhones and iPads, we finally get in our clock app, we finally get, alarms, timers, and stopwatch. We finally get them. We finally get them. Now the next update might be a little bit bigger or rather feature than you might think initially. This is the system settings. To get to that, you click the Apple, click system settings, and there you go with that. The reason this feature is so huge because the old system settings had it across and everything. This literally unifies the settings to be just like with the iPad and iPhone. So if you have an iPhone or you have an iPad, you might be used to the settings already. Well, now the desktop, now macOS Ventura finally brought with it. So you have those settings uniformed, which I'll be honest, I kind of like. I like quite a bit actually. But with that said, I use my iPhone and iPad a pretty good amount. So I kind of am used to this format. Feel free to let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this change or not, because I know not everyone uses iPhones all the time or iPads all the time. And if you go in settings a lot, you might not like the new change. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about this change. And now the third change is an interesting one, okay? Now this is another hidden change that is interesting. I'll just show you guys. If we go into settings, once again, go into accessibility, and then from there, under hearing, we click on audio. And of course, there's basic changes like, for the AirPods and whatnot. But no, that's not what we're after. We're after this, background sounds. So I don't know how well you can hear that, if you can at all. Background sounds, rain was playing, and you get to choose from some different background sounds, like, dark noise, ocean, bright noise, balanced noise, which is just interesting. It's very interesting in my opinion. I actually have a friend or two that I know that in like either if they're in a new place or an unfamiliar place and they're sleeping and or rather trying to sleep, if it's too quiet, they really can't fall asleep. So I feel like this could definitely help quite a bit. So yeah, it's an interesting, and you can turn down and up the volume for the background sound, and you can also turn off background sounds when your Mac is not in use. But I feel like most people wouldn't do that because, you want by default, I feel like you want the background sound to play indefinitely. Or maybe you want it to only last like 5 minutes or something. In which case, you could time it to your computer screen turning off. Again, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this feature. And yeah, that about does it. Feel free to let me know in the comment section below if you discovered any other hidden features and what you like about the update, if you've updated yet, or are you going to wait like a few more weeks, make sure everything gets ironed out. Let me know, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.